An isthmus is a narrow strip of land connecting to larger land masses, usually with water on either side. It often serves as a natural bridge between two regions. This geographical feature can be important for transportation, trade, and strategic military purposes. Here are a few notable examples of isthmuses. Isthmus of Panama. This is perhaps the most famous isthmus. It connects North and South America and separates the Pacific Ocean from the Atlantic Ocean. The Panama Canal, which traverses this isthmus, is a crucial maritime route allowing ships to avoid the lengthy and hazardous route around the southern tip of South America. Isthmus of Suez, located in Egypt. This isthmus connects Africa with Asia and separates the Mediterranean Sea from the Red Sea. The Suez Canal, running through this isthmus, is another vital waterway for international maritime trade. Isthmus of Corinth, situated in Greece, this isthmus connects the Peloponnesian Peninsula with the Greek mainland. It separates the Aegean Sea from the Ionian Sea. The Corinth Canal, which cuts through this isthmus, allows ships to travel between these two seas without having to navigate around the Peloponnesian Peninsula. Isthmus of Tehuantepec, located in Mexico, this isthmus connects the Gulf of Mexico with the Pacific Ocean. It is narrower than the Isthmus of Panama and has been considered for canal construction as an alternative route for shipping between the two oceans. Isthmuses are important for various reasons, including their role in facilitating trade and transportation and their strategic significance in geopolitical contexts.